Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In his video, I am going to share some information about DMSO dosing for pets. I hope it will be useful. Before getting into the information I am going to share, please note that this video is not intended as a medical consultation or treatment and should not be considered as a replacement for treating the disease. Please consult the medical professional and veterinary for any of the concerns you might have. So, let's dive in. When using DMSO on animals, it's important to take age and weight into consideration. Use between 1/8 and 1/4 of the human dose in general. My rule of thumb is 2 milliliters of pure DMSO for every 10 pounds of body weight in enough distilled water to dilute it between 20 and 50% for internal application. It can be added into food or syringed into the mouth. For topical application, apply 2 milliliter pure DMSO in 2 ml of distilled water, which is making a 50% solution, and apply it on areas where there is less fur, such as ears, nose, belly, paws, or rub it into the fur. I have used 90% DMSO on surgical wounds, but when using higher doses, it's best to work with a holistic practitioner who has experience treating animals with DMSO. For infections and injuries, clean the affected area with warm water, then cleanse with colloidal silver. You can also use rubbing alcohol as a cleanser and to help reduce swelling. Apply a 50% DMSO solution that was diluted with distilled water or colloidal silver to the affected area. Always give homeopathic Arnica montana 30 CH or whatever potency you have on hand in case of injury, especially with bleeding and bruising. Dilute 3 pellets in a little distilled water and give a 30 CH dose 3 to 6 times a day via clean syringe. For any chronic disease such as of treatment symptoms of cancers, organ problems, and seizures, give 7 to 10 drops of pure DMSO in at least the same amount of distilled water or preservative-free aloe vera gel juice in the mouth with a syringe once or twice a day. This is the dose for a medium-weight cat or a small dog. More or less will need to be used depending on the animal's weight as per the ratio I have already mentioned. You also need to apply DMSO topically, change the diet, and target the specific organs that need detoxing and balance, so it's crucial to work with a qualified holistic veterinarian or practitioner who knows how to guide the case. Finally, there are a variety of effective natural remedies that can be used on pets. So if you are curious about other naturopathic or homeopathic remedies for your pets, I recommend to get these following books. First book is called The Complete Herbal Handbook for the Dog and Cat by Juliette de Birakley-Levy. The second book is called The Encyclopedia of Natural Pet Care by C.J. Puotinen. Third book is The Homeopathic Treatment of Small Animals by Christopher Day. And the fourth one is A Veterinary Materia Medica and Clinical Repertory by George MacLeod. These are the best books I can recommend. I have linked The Best and Pure DMSO as well as one of the best books written on DMSO, including the last 4 books I just mentioned, at the description box of this video as well as the first comment so you can order for yourself. I very much recommend to get the DMSO book, which is full of remedies and uses of DMSO for many types of conditions. Hope this video helps, and I will see you soon.